Our client Rachel brought in these two hand-colored photos of her maternal great-aunt and great-uncle from the 1800s. She grew up with the artwork hanging in her home, and she told us that when she was little, the portraits scared her after she saw such movies as Chucky. She felt that the children were staring back at her, and this gave her the creeps. Over the years, the portraits went from home to home each time Rachel's mother moved, and they ended up in the basement for several years. As you can see, this left them in poor shape, with mold and mildew in certain areas. Today, Rachel wants to revitalize the portraits and their old frames and hang them in her home. So we called in our conservator, Bryan Owen, and he stopped by Gallery 7 to take a look and give us his opinion. He took them for about 6 weeks, and they came back looking great. Right.
Anyway, they cleaned up just fine, so the mold issue's gone. No repairs, because it wasn't fixed. So at least I just wanted to get rid of the mold problem.
That's incredible, Bryan.
Well, it didn't take off anything, that's good. So you're still going to see some staining right along here, and actually most of it you'll see in the back.
Yeah, but it was really a mess before. This is great.
Yeah, that's just dirt.
When we mat it, we're going to come in a little bit.
Yeah, you're going to cut that out
Over it.
anyway.
Beautiful.
You know, you're going to want to.
Yeah, we're going to cover that stuff.
Yeah, but
Beautiful.
that's pretty much cleaned out, so there shouldn't be anything there. It's
Oh,
just-
good. She'll be thrilled.
I mean, the worst thing you got going is yours.
You can see how that, yeah, all that mold is gone. And we can still discuss whether we want to bring the mat boards in a little bit over them, which we had talked about.
Yeah.
And I still think we still cover this, but just remember all the mess that was down there.
Yeah.
And Bryan took one look at it and he's like, what is that?
I know.
And we really think someone came along later who was not the original artist and said, I'm going to add a ball.
Yeah, you know.
It's cool, isn't it?
It looks like chalk almost that somebody
Doesn't
just
it?
smudged on there. Yeah, because it's really not consistent with the finer details.
Oh yeah, and it's
Yeah.
not drawn well. So the interesting thing is, with a lot of these things, there's oftentimes a mystery in the past, and there it is on this
I
one.
wonder if she did it. I wonder if she said, I want a bow in mine.
You know what? That's possible. Oh my God! And the fun thing about this is, we'll never know.
Exactly.
He's just lost to history.